It's a lot of different subjects within graphic communication, but what you leave with is a very, very diverse portfolio and an exceptionally wide range of skills. The BA Honours Graphic Communication course has been designed to provide students with creative and design thinking challenges that you would find currently within the creative industries. We teach students about creativity, about skills, and we teach about professionalism. So our students are taught a whole range of design software and applications. And then in terms of professionalism, because this course is industry focused and we interact a lot with industry, students will have a lot of opportunities to warm up and break the ice with the design industry. I think the golden ticket is that within our third year, we have modules that are specifically designed for students to work with different agencies once a week. It sets them up for real-world experiences and the expectations of what creative industries has for them. Students that leave this course tend to be working within brand agencies. Another big one for us is user experience design and interactive design. We've got students all across the world working in a wide variety of industries.